Hello traders, today I am giving you a free AFL that changes your intraday setup, the ORB plus pivots intraday chart. It puts opening range breakouts, daily pivots, automatic targets and stops, and Crabel patterns all on one screen. No more jumping between tools. The passcode to unlock the download comes later, so stick around. When you apply this AFL, you get breakout levels BOL for long, BOS for short, marking the opening range extremes. You also get daily pivots from PP up to R4 and down to S4. The chart plots automatic profit targets and stops, and it spots classic patterns like NR4, NR7, WS4, WS7, and Doji. Everything sits right there on one screen. Here is how the opening range breakout works. The market opens, and the system draws a long level above the open and a short level below it. Those levels use the 10-day average of the quietest daily range. So when price breaks above the top level, you look for longs. When it breaks below the bottom level, that is your cue to think short. A clear line in the sand from the first minutes of the day. Let us peek under the hood. The code starts with Ranji Min, the quietest range of each day. Time frame compress pulls it to the chart, and a 10-day moving average gives range min average. Breakout long and breakout short are simply the open plus or minus that average. It only uses known data, no future leak, so the signals stay honest. So how does the system read the chart? The checklist is simple. You go long when price closes above BOL, short when it breaks below BOS. The signal gets stronger with confirmation, a Crabel pattern at the level, or alignment with a pivot zone. But if price falls right back through the level, the signal is invalid. Move on. Once you are in, you exit at the predefined target or stop. This is an educational framework to help you read the market, not a holy grail. Here it is on a live Amibroker intraday chart. The breakout clouds shade the trigger zones around the open. The pivot lines frame the bigger structure. Target dots mark your exits, and the ATB info panel tracks the day's numbers. You can see how the levels box in the session. You know exactly where price is likely to react. 3 quick steps. First, apply the AFL to your intraday chart. Second, run a scan using ORB, STATS, or OHLC modes to find the day's setup. Third, manage the trade with the predefined target or stop already on your chart. Levels, signals, and a trade plan ready to go in seconds. Here is what you get. Breakout levels to initiate trades, pivot zones for the bigger picture, pattern recognition, a confirmation checklist to avoid fakeouts, and a predefined trade plan, all on one chart. And here is the passcode you have been waiting for, 8TB5ZT. Use that code to unlock the free download. That is the ORB plus pivots intraday chart. I would love to hear your best settings in the comments and tell me which free system you would like next. Hit subscribe so you do not miss it. I will see you in the next video.